go.
Wow, amazing. Here we are.
It is quite exciting.
It is, yeah. 4 years on, 2023. It's great.
Unbelievable.
Oh, Daniel.
But each time you come and see after 4 years the innovation that's going on, mind-blowing.
Fantastic.
Absolutely amazing.
Fantastic, yeah. Daniel, thank you so much for joining us. Daniel Gazit of Kornit Digital. I'm Deborah McKeegan, the CEO of Texintel. And wow, I mean, how many innovations? What an amazing show.
Unbelievable. We came to the show with the work that we did in the last 4 years.
Yeah.
You can see the amazing technology that we put in place with one objective in mind. And this is how do we take digital to the mainstream production.
Okay.
You can see on one side the Apollo, which does 400 shirts an hour, with the amazing max quality that we have in all our systems, which puts us at least at par with screen, even above it in some cases. But adding to that color management and spout colors, adding to that the XDI capabilities, the highest quality of prints that you can get on the market today, all within a single solution and a single operator, quite amazing. And it has a lot of traction in the show.
Yeah.
It's the star of the show. You can see on the Presto side and the direct-to-fabric side, we took it a step forward. Our pigment black, the Vivido inkset that we're putting out in the market, brings blacks that are similar to what we're getting on reactives.
Wow.
Which is the dream or the holy grail of pigment.
Yes.
All of this with a 40% lower lay down than we had before. So even on that side, we're seeing ourselves going into brands, into the fashion market, into fulfillers for brands. We had very exciting meetings today with quite a few of them. And yeah, this is pushing us forward.
It's amazing. It's amazing. So you are really offering a complete solution from one end to the other. But what's so unique is that you've got all of that incredible workflow automation, incredible technologies, but this is just pushing creativity to the next level.
This is something that even when I still see it, I get goosebumps.
Yeah.
And the reason behind it, this is, by the way, this is all printed on Presto, all of it, just
all
Presto. Just Presto.
Wow.
You can find wools, cashmere, silk, cotton, viscose, rayons, everything in this collection, all printed on the same system with the same inkset. But the real magic here is tying the designer to the technology.
Yes.
You can see some samples around. Let's go one step back.
Yeah,
you can see some samples around of the technology that we're putting in place. Again, taking pure wool.
This is couture. It's
absolutely
beautiful.
amazing. Look at the tools, the texture that you're able to get with our XDI technology, the design that's been able to do on our digitizer. It's not a separate software, it's part of the suite that we're providing.
Yeah.
And getting these results in the end on wool, on cashmere is amazing. The designer who is doing that, Tatiana.
Yes, very talented.
She's very talented, but what she was able to do is understand how to attach the technology and the tool set that we gave her to her imagination.
Yeah.
The toughest part in the collection was taking her out of the room. She didn't want to leave. She still doesn't want to leave.
I can imagine.
It's absolutely amazing.
But that's the great thing. When you get creatives and technology in a room, you push the boundaries and everybody wins. Everybody wins in that scenario.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It
Fantastic.
pushes the boundaries in many different places. When you go back to our samples, you can see how we print on waterproof material.
Yeah.
You can see how we print on dyed material with a white base and color on top of it. Exclusive to Kornit. Nobody else can do it in the market.
Amazing.
You can see 3D embossing that we do with whites and colors as you see here.
Yeah.
This is the next level.
Amazing.
Neons is something that we added also to our system. So for sportswear.
Groundbreaking then.
Groundbreaking completely.
This is a whole new level. I mean, this
absolutely
just adds so much. Tell me, the sample at the end, is that silk?
Yeah, you can see silk with an amazing
We'll
penetration. Even here. Or here, you can see pure silks.
And is this pure silk? It's not polyester?
No,
it's
pure silks.
That's amazing.
Amazing. And the penetration in it is such that using it for scarves or other types of materials.
So you're getting the push through?
Yeah,
Fantastic.
absolutely.
But it's the handle.
Unbelievable.
That is beautiful.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
We took it to the next level also on the most challenging part, and this is blacks. Classic for pigment is that black is not black, it's gray, it's brown. Our blacks now are black. We're getting L17 on blacks.
Okay.
L17 is on par with reactive.
Amazing.
It's our new inkset, the Vivido inkset. It's coming out to the market in Q1 2024. It will be part of the systems that have been in the field and that will go to the field. And this will push pigment to the next level. My dream and my fantasy on pigment is that it will become the mainstream. We see the growth today in pigment, in digital pigment. Our pigment which is produced by us, is bringing it to the next level.
Stunning, absolutely incredible. Congratulations, it's wonderful. But we've not finished yet because we need to talk about the Apollo. We'll perhaps wander over there and have a look at the
let's
Apollo
go over
now.
there and take a look at the Apollo.
Okay, yeah, great.
The Apollo is actually a full end-to-end solution, solving the main issues that we saw in the market for mainstream going digital. The Apollo does 400 garments an hour, 400. There's nothing even similar to that. If you walk down the hall back and forth 5 times, you will not find anything similar to that in terms of capacity on digital space. It's actually operator independent. A single operator operates the whole system, and usually the capacity is dependent on how fast the operator can load, fix the garment, etc. Here everything is automated from end to end. The only thing that the operator needs to do, and actually you'll see it starting to run in 5 minutes, is just hand over the shirt to the system itself. The system will take care of everything from then on, fully automated. It means that you can do one-offs, you can do full runs, batches, anything on the same system. A scanner starts by scanning the shirts and the barcodes on them, bringing the artwork and the right size to the system itself and all the recipe of what needs to be done and printed. That recipe is then passed on to the system. The pallets will adjust the size automatically for the specific garment that you're putting at that second. It could be a children's garment, a baby's garment, or it can go all the way to 2XL. It will then grab the garment from your hands, put it into the system. This happens every 9 seconds. You will see that it's amazing speeds. It will go into our patented process of fixation on the fly. And then it will go into the printing cycle. Come back below the system, go into automatic unloading into the dryer itself.
That's good.
Where we incorporate our smart curing. The smart curing basically knows, again, which garment is coming in and will give right amount of energy for each garment.
So it knows by each SKU, it knows exactly about
how it needs to be treated.
Everything about every product as it touched each touch point. That's incredible.
And it means that not only can we do multiple sizes, multiple colors, multiple types, hoodies, shirts, all at the same time, it also means that we're using the exact amount of ink, the exact amount of fixation, the exact amount of energy. We change the energy levels during the curing system with our smart curing for each garment, which means that our TCO is the best and the energy saving is the best. Which means in the end, first of all, money. And more important, I think, we're saving the planet.
Absolutely.
And this is what this is all about. It's a sustainable solution instead of screen printing, which we know how it affects our planet. It's a sustainable solution that works at capacities which are on par with traditional analog methodologies of printing.
It's fantastic. It's so incredible that each T-shirt it has a memory, it has all the information, it's moving down from the point of sale, whether that's e-com, however it's going all the way through the production line, using the right plannage, the right environmental process at each touch point.
Unbelievable.
Incredibly efficient. Congratulations.
Exactly, you get it very accurate.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Thank
you.
We're super proud of this platform. We have quite a few of them already on the process of going outside and have been sold. And this is will be a game changer for the market. Any MOQ between 1 and 500 makes no sense to print in any other methodology. And doing it on this system allows you to use your screens for the long runs. Anything else you do on Apollo. And this is the beauty behind this
Another
system.
disruptive technology. Fantastic.
Absolutely.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure talking to you.
You too. Thank you.